Welcome. This video provides a technical overview for engineering students on how IGBT inverter welders work, focusing on power, precision, and performance. The core component is the IGBT, or Insulated Gate Bipolar Transistor. It acts as a high-speed electronic switch, turning current on and off thousands of times per second. This hybrid technology combines speed and high current capacity, allowing for precision arc control. The power flow involves 5 key stages. AC input is rectified to DC, then inverted back to high-frequency AC by the IGBT. This high-frequency AC is stepped down by a tiny transformer, then output rectified into a smooth DC welding arc. The high frequency makes the machine highly portable. Key internal components include the IGBT module and the input rectifier. Modern welders also feature a PFC circuit for improved efficiency, an HF transformer, an output filter for a stable arc, and a DSP controller for real-time digital control. IGBT welders offer many advantages over traditional welders, including being 80% lighter and 85 to 90% more energy efficient. They provide superior arc precision and control, use safer, lower open circuit voltage, and support multiple processes like MMA, TIG, and MIG. IGBT technology powers various industrial processes. These include MMA welding for structural steel, TIG welding for aerospace and stainless steel, MIG-MAG welding for automotive and shipbuilding, and plasma cutting for precise steel cutting. Comparing the two, IGBT welders are significantly lighter, more efficient, and operate at much higher frequencies than traditional transformer welders. They also offer digital arc control, better power factor, and multi-process support. Built-in safety systems are integral. These include thermal protection against overheating, anti-stick and hot start features for better arc control, and arc force for deep weld grooves. VRD, or voltage reduction device, is critical for operator safety in confined spaces. The digital signal processor uses pulse width modulation to control the IGBT. By adjusting the on time versus off time, the DSP precisely controls the output current. This feedback loop measures the current and adjusts the duty cycle thousands of times per second. IGBT welders are used extensively in demanding environments like automotive manufacturing, shipbuilding, and aerospace. Their portability and precision are also essential in construction, oil and gas pipelines, and electronics manufacturing for micro-TIG applications. In summary, IGBT is the core electronic switch. High frequency enables portability. The power flows through 5 stages: AC to DC, invert, transform, rectify to arc. DSP provides real-time precision and safety features. Ultimately, IGBT welders are more efficient, versatile, and lighter.